Hello everyone, welcome back to today. We are diving into a trending topic on social media 3D AI generated image with your own face. I will be teaching you how to change the animated character face with your original face in animated form. But before we get started, if you don't know how to create these kind of animated 3D images character with social media icons, then you must watch it before by clicking on the I button on the screen or go to the description to find the link of our previous video of the creating 3D animated character images. But before we dive in, do me a favor. Don't skip today's video and show me some love by hitting that like and subscribe button. As you can see, our images won't be complete without our faces, right? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Just go to this website, that is Remaker.ai. I will put a link to this website in the description. Once you open the app, you will find a face swap option. After clicking this option, you will have a simple interface. In the first step, you have to upload the image that you have generated and then upload your original face image. After uploading, just click on the option swap and here you will have an amazing result matching your face with this animated created 3D image. Once your face is matched up, feel free to play around with different prompts and see what works best for you. And don't forget to explore the app further for even more options and features. And the best part, it's all free and unlimited. So go ahead, give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below.